Okay. Hello guys, today we're gonna make sausages. Yeah. So first we're gonna go get some sausages. I'm gonna bring the camera. Okay. Now we have our sausages. Okay. I'm going to take our sausages out. These are non-vegan. We need chopsticks so we can create those like whole ones from YouTube. And then I'm gonna take a sharp knife and I start slicing them diagonally, just like this. I'm gonna make one for me and one for my sister, but I'm not just gonna do something like that. For this one, you're gonna split it like that. So for equal, it turns into 4. Yeah, see? Makes those kind of like stripes. Okay, now this is gonna be my sausage. I'm also gonna do the same thing. Okay, now we're gonna split it like that. Wow, you sausages. Okay, now we are gonna take these sausages, but we're gonna just go like that on the pan. So let's go to the pan. That's already it already has oil inside, so this should be good. Okay. Now we're gonna put the sausage like that, and then we're gonna put another one. Okay, so we're gonna wait that to like steam. So we're gonna let it cook on the bottom first. Then we're gonna flip it because on there it's already like starting to get brown. So just gotta flip it on the other side like that. And then we're gonna go like that. If you are my subscriber, which I gave a shout out yesterday, you should be proud of me, okay? Because this is my second time of cooking. This time I'm cooking crunchy sausages. Oh, it's hot, okay? You kids shouldn't be doing this, but I am a good cook, so that's why. Not a actually good cook, but my food is still good. And now you flip all of these. on the pink, because the pink means it's not yet, it's not old. Okay, just wait. I'm gonna wait for 1 minute. So see you after 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute have just passed and the sausage are done. So we're gonna put that. Yeah, look at these sausages. They look crunchy. Yeah, look at these glizzies I made. I don't think they're black, they're just on the others. Yeah, see, they're golden brown. Yeah, look at those glizzies. Yeah, I make that all by my own. See, look at these glizzies. They look good. These glizzies look good. Okay. Now, and then, and there's no time for yapping. Let's eat. I'm gonna get a bowl to get the sausages. And let's get the sausages. Now see those sausages. These are crunchy sausages. Now we're gonna throw the oil into this thing. I don't know what the name is, so I should just call it the oil deposit. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. I'm gonna take the lid. I'm gonna put this here. I don't know why there are a lot of ants. So I just finished the whole pack. Yeah. Wait there. Okay. Now our sausages are done. I'm gonna take our sticks. Yo bro, rate this dish 1 out of 10. Like that look good. I will eat that if I already see one. Like that look good. So I'm gonna give this to my sister, and that's the end of the video. If you wanna watch more of my cooking video, so if you want to watch any of my more cooking videos, you need to like and subscribe, and then I'll make another cooking video. So bye bye.